So do you also wish to generate hashtags for your Instagram post automatically using an AI? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to understand how to generate Instagram hashtags using AI agent. So as a content creator, I want to generate hashtags for my post automatically and regularly. So now here my objective is that when I'm going to add a new post details in my Google Sheets, then automatically using the details, OpenAI should generate the relevant hashtags, and after generating the hashtags, automatically that hashtag should be added in my Google Sheets again. So now here to automate the entire process, I need to connect my Google Sheets with OpenAI and Google Sheets again using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to see the working of this automation and to learn this process step by step, let me all take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In this video, I'll show you how to automatically generate Instagram hashtags using AI agents. This will help you boost your reach, save time on research, and keep your content strategy strong. Alright, so as you know that as a content creator on Instagram, I often struggle to come up with the right hashtags that can boost the reach of my post. So now manually researching trending or relevant hashtags for each post takes a lot of time and effort. So by using an AI agent to generate Instagram hashtags, I can instantly get a list of smart targeted hashtags based on my content. So this helps me save time, stay consistent, and improve engagement on my post without guessing what works best. Alright, so here on my screen you can see the Google Sheet that I've created with the name Instagram hashtags and the fields that I've added over here with the name post caption, post topic, and the hashtags generated. And now here my objective is that when I'm going to add the post caption and the post topic in this Google Sheet, then automatically OpenAI should use the details and generate the hashtags, and after generating the hashtags, automatically the hashtags generated should be added over here under this specific column. Alright, so here I've already built an automation that I've connected my Google Sheets with OpenAI account using an automation software. And now firstly in this video we are going to see the working of this amazing automation that I've already built. And now here to see the working, I'm going to add the post caption and the post topic over here in this Google Sheet. And here you can see as soon as I've successfully added the post caption and the post topic, and then within seconds some hashtags generated by AI are added over here under this specific column. Alright, so with this we have successfully seen the working of this automation. And now here in this video we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this automation by simply connecting your Google Sheets with your OpenAI account and Google Sheets again using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So here in the browsers you have to search for pabbly.com/connect to access the Pabbly Connect account, and then it will lead you to the Pabbly Connect's home page. So here on the screen you can see Pabbly Connect's home page, and here you can see two options that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, I'm going to click on this Create Workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here in this Create Workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as Generate Instagram Hashtags Using AI Agent. And now you have to giving a name to my workflow. It is asking me to select the folder. So in the left side corner of this dashboard, you can see a folder section under which you can see the multiple folders that I've already created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So now here in this case I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select the folder as per your need. Also you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here. And by clicking on this, it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. Alright, so now moving back to my Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this, that means action is the response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's look at our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as Google Sheets, as I am adding my new Instagram post details in in my Google Sheets. So Google Sheets is a free web-based spreadsheet program that allows you to create, edit and share spreadsheets online. So in my Google Sheets trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger event as new or updated spreadsheet row, so that whenever I'm going to add a new detail in my Google Sheets row, then automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response, or you can say automatically this entire workflow is going to get triggered. Alright, so now after selecting the trigger event, I have received a webhook URL. That means here I'm going to use this webhook URL to connect my Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. Alright, so here following the instructions given below, firstly I'm going to copy this webhook URL, and here I've already logged in my Google Sheets account. So this is the sheet that I've created with the name Instagram hashtags, and now I'm going to connect this Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect in order to capture the response in Pabbly Connect. Alright, so now here before moving forward with the connection, I'm going to add the details over here such as post caption and the post topic first. Alright, so here I'm going to add the details. Alright, so here you can see I've successfully added the details over here, and now here let's move forward with the connection. So now here to build a connection between your Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, you need to install an add-on in your Google Sheets account first. So for that you need to click on this extensions, and from here you need to select add-ons. Now here under add-ons you need to select get add-ons. And then here in this Google Workspace Marketplace, you have to search for an add-on that is Pabbly Connect Webhooks. And then you need to install this particular add-on in your Google Sheets account in order to connect your Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. Alright, so here you can see it is already installed in my Google Sheets account. So moving back, and now after installing this add-on, you have to follow exactly the same steps. Alright, so now after installing the add-on, you need to refresh your Google Sheets, and that's a necessary step. Alright, so now after refreshing the Google Sheets, you need to click on this extensions, and then you will be able to see your option of Pabbly Connect Webhooks over here. So from here you need to select initial setup. And now here in initial setup, you can see it is asking me for the webhook URL and the trigger column. So here for the webhook URL, I'm going to enter the webhook URL that I've received in my Pabbly's workflow, and then it says the trigger column. So the trigger column will be a final data column on which if the data is added, the whole of that row data will be sent to the webhook URL. So here in my Google Sheets, you can see the last column in which I'm going to add the data is column B. So here for the trigger column, I'm going to add my column as column B, and then I'm going to click on this submit. And here you can see it says setup configured successfully. That means we have successfully set up a webhook inside our Google Sheets, or you can say we have successfully connected our Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. Alright, so now after building the connection, I'm going to test this connection by simply clicking on this send test button. And here you can see it says test data sent successfully. That means we have successfully sent this first row data of our Google Sheets to this webhook URL, or you can say to the Pabbly's workflow. Alright, so now let's go and check it. So now here before moving back to Pabbly's workflow, you need to perform another very important step to completely connect your Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. So for that you need to click on this extensions, and then you need to select Pabbly Connect Webhooks, and from here you need to turn on this send on event. So by turning it on, automatically now whenever you're going to add new details in your Google Sheets, then automatically and instantly Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response. Alright, so we have successfully turned it on, so let's go and check it. And here you can see we have received a tick in front of the send on event. That means we have successfully turned it on. Alright, so now let's move back to our Pabbly's workflow, and here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the trigger column, spreadsheet name, ID, sheet name, sheet ID, row index, post topic, and the post caption. So with this we have successfully set up our trigger over here. So once we have received the details of our Instagram post through Google Sheets, then automatically using the details, I want OpenAI to generate the relevant hashtags for this particular post. So for that I need to connect my OpenAI with Pabbly Connect in this action step given over here. So here I'm going to select my action application as OpenAI. So OpenAI is a company that develops advanced AI tools and models like ChatGPT. People use OpenAI to create content, write code, answer questions, and even generate creative ideas. So in my OpenAI action step, I'm going to select my action event as ChatGPT, so that by using this particular model, OpenAI can generate the relevant hashtags for my Instagram post. Alright, so now here to connect my OpenAI with Pabbly Connect, I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your OpenAI account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, it is asking me to enter the API token. So following the instructions given below, here I've already logged in my OpenAI account, and from here I'm going to access the API keys given over here in the left side bar. And here in the API keys you can see all the existing keys over here. So I'm going to generate a new key by clicking on this create new secret key, and here I'm going to give a name to my key such as hashtags, and then I'm going to select my project as default project, and then I'm going to click on this create secret key. So this is the API key generated, so I'm going to copy it, moving back to Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to paste the API token. Now here after entering the API token, I'm going to click on this save, and here you can see we are now successfully connected. So now moving forward, and then here is asking me to select the AI model. So by clicking on this drop down menu, you can see all the AI models available. So in this particular case, I'm going to select my model as GPT-4o Mini, and here you can select your AI model as per your need. Alright, so now moving forward, and then here is asking me to enter the prompt. So here in this prompt field, I need to enter the relevant prompt that I want to give to AI to generate the relevant hashtags for my Instagram post. Alright, so I'm going to add a relevant prompt over here. Alright, so here you can see I've successfully added a relevant prompt over here where I've added some instructions for AI and the detail as post caption and the post topic. So now here instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response I received from my trigger step or my previous steps. Mapping makes the text dynamic so that whenever we are going to receive new post details in our Google Sheets, then automatically this previously existing details will be updated with the new one. So here for the post caption, I'm going to map the post caption, and here for the post topic, I'm going to map the post topic. So this is the post topic, and with this we have successfully completed our prompt over here. So now here after entering both the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the hashtags generated in this message content field for our Instagram post. Alright, so with this we have successfully set up this action step as well. So now after generating the relevant hashtags, I want to add the generated hashtags in my Google Sheets under this specific column. So for that I'm going to add another action step over here. And here in this action step, I'm going to select my action application as Google Sheets again. And this time I'm going to select my action event as update a cell value. So by selecting this particular action event, I'm going to update the generated hashtags by OpenAI in this particular column in my Google Sheets. Alright, so I'm going to click on this connect. And now here to build this connection, I'm going to select add new connection because I've connected my Google Sheets account with Pabbly Connect in my trigger step. And this time I'm going to build this connection for the action step. So for that I'm going to add a new connection over here, but if your Google Sheets account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this sign in with Google. Here I'm going to select my desired account, and here I'm going to click on this allow and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. Authorization successful. So here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here is asking me to select the spreadsheet. So here I've already shown you that I have my spreadsheet with the name Instagram hashtags. So now here in Pabbly's workflow, I'm going to select my spreadsheet as Instagram hashtags. And then I'm going to select my sheet as sheet 1, and then here it is asking me to enter the range. So in this range field it says enter the range of the sheet that needs to be updated here. Example C5, that is column name plus row index. So here you can see my column is column C, so I'm going to add my column name as column C, and then here for the row index, I'm going to map the row index from the response that I've received in my Google Sheets. So this is the row index, and then here is asking me to enter the value. So in this value field, I need to enter the value that I want to update in this particular column of my Google Sheets. So I'm going to add the hashtags generated by OpenAI in this value field, and now here after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request, and here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully updated the value in our Google Sheets. So now let's go and check it, and here you can see we have successfully added the relevant hashtags over here under this hashtags generated column of our Google Sheets. Alright, so with this we have successfully set up our entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have chosen our trigger as Google Sheets and our action as OpenAI and Google Sheets, so that whenever we are going to add a new post detail in our Google Sheets, then automatically using the details, OpenAI is going to generate the relevant hashtags for that post, and after generating the hashtags, automatically the hashtags generated are going to be updated in our Google Sheets under a specific column. Alright, so these were the steps to how to generate Instagram hashtags using AI agent. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any query, then you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, then you can simply visit our website, that is www.pabbly.com. So now if you liked our video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.